Hey guys, welcome again to my continuation of the user profile image upload. So I had to just open my Postman, log out my company accounts and log in the WordPress account onto this place. Okay, so I'm going to now proceed from where I stopped. So we stopped at using these REST routes for our upload of the user profile. So what I'm going to do now is to create a new data here, a new request called user profile upload. Okay, so with this I'm going to be sending a post request because what we have here is a post. Okay, so send a post request to this same URL, which is this URL we have here. So what is going to be changing is the prefix. So copy this and update it with what you have here. Okay, so change this also to what we have there. So Ctrl C and Ctrl V. Awesome. So just to be sure this is working, let me return let me return this request, then get params, save, and let me go to the body section and send it as a form data, or possibly send it as a JSON. You can send it as anything you want, but let me use a JSON here. So here we have image source. So our test image source is going to be, let me go to my browser and get an image from my website. So just a testing, just to be sure this is working. So I'm trying to get this from my landing page. My network is a bit slow. I don't know why the network is a bit slow. Okay, so let me just copy this link and go back to Postman, paste this as just the URL, and here we have the user ID, which is very important. User ID. What is my user ID? Let me go to my WordPress. My user ID is what? Unfortunately, my user ID is not displayed here. So let me take it down to email. This is my email, and I can find my user ID. Hey, okay, so let's use email then, since my user ID is not visible and I don't want to stress us with user IDs. Let's use user email. So user email is this email, and let me go back to the code and change this to user email and user email and email. Sorry, I think it's user email. Let me confirm that. Okay, it is just email, not user email. As you can see, it is email. So here we change it to email. Okay, click on save. Yeah, so that's all. Let me click on send, and this is trying to process. As you can see, it works. So let me take out this login and let me check if the user exists. Awesome, actually the user exists. So user ID is no more user ID. So sorry about that. So it is now it is not user ID. So instead of that, we are going to tap into this area to get the user ID. So we are not going to use user ID is equals to, because we already returned the user ID from that area. So this is going to help us with user ID. So click on save, and the user ID is what is 1. Awesome. So now this image source is seeing this, which is not supposed to be. So the image upload for WordPress, please tap into this tutorial. I just showed you now. Tap into this tutorial so that you can learn how to upload image using API. I already do the video, so I can't repeat myself on that video again. So this is the final production of the video, and here you pass your form data and async upload as a file. So here, let me select a picture from my PC that I want to use for my profile picture. So I'm going to scroll down. Let me use let's see this one. No, I don't want to use that one. Let me use something simple. How about this? No, we can't use that. Okay, let me use this one. Let me use Flutter icon to do that. So I'll click on open, and it's going to select it. So if I click on send, it's going to upload the picture to the WordPress repository. To WordPress media library. If I show the media library for you now, you're going to see that there's no any picture here yet. So if I click on send, it's going to upload it to this place, and as you can see, it is there. So it is working perfectly. So after this has been uploaded using your mobile application or your React, then you can tap into the URL. So here we have the URL. Tap into the URL, Control C, and go to your user profile upload and change the image source to what you just uploaded. So click on send, and it's going to update that for us, which is the profile user meta based on our code, based on what we write down to this place. Where is it again? Okay, update user meta, as you can see, based on what we have here, the profile image. Okay, so after that has been done, then you are good to go. Our image is updated. So in your mobile application, you are going to be referencing this guy as your profile image. You are going to be getting this guy as a profile image while we are using it also as the avatar on the WordPress. Okay, so let me pause this video and take a break. It's already lengthy. Hey guys, welcome again to this continuation video. So this video we are going to finish our processing of the pre-get avatar and co. Okay, so after this has been done, after we have updated our added profile image, then the next thing we are going to do is to connect this guy down to this place. So first we are going to check if this user meta exists, or we are going to check if this ID or email has the data. So here we are going to check. So check email or ID So check if it is email or ID. So while we are checking that, we are going to determine if it is email or it is user ID. So here now we check if it is numeric. That means it is what user ID. Else it is what email. So get the guy and derive the user ID. So that has been gotten. Then here we are now going to what? Check user check user meta. Check user meta. So for add the profile image. So if add the profile image return, we are going to what? Generate avatar from added profile image. So this true that we have here is to make it unique, just to make it single without returning an array. That is why I added this true. So after this has been done, then we are going to check if what is coming is empty. So if it is not empty, then we pile it into this place and return the avatar. So let's take out what we have here. So if this is empty, it's going to fall back to the default avatar that is coming from WordPress Gravatar. So if our profile picture is found, then we are going to combine it down to this place. Then it's going to be effective on the WordPress end. And if you are using it on your mobile application, you are going to be referencing these parts for your profile picture. I hope you understand that. You are going to be referencing this on your mobile application or your React. So I'll click on save now, and this should solve our problem. So the picture I uploaded to the Postman should be what we are going to see, which is the flutter icon. So I'll go to the profile section now. And let's see the magic. Now as you can see, we have what? Flutter uploaded. So let's go to Postman again and try to upload a new picture. So let me take out this picture and select a new one. Let me select a simple picture. Yes, let me use this picture, which is, I believe it's simple. Click on send, and this should be uploaded to WordPress. It's currently sending, so this is uploaded. So I'm going to copy this, Ctrl C, go to user upload and update this to this URL. Click on send, and this is uploaded. If I click on refresh, as you can see, we have the picture. So guys, this is the end of the tutorial. If you find my channel helpful, please do subscribe and comment to this video. Subscribe and comment, it is very, very important. Once again, thank you for visiting this video. See you in my next solution.